guys, tonight I'll be showing you guys how to make a delicious mapo tofu. I know a lot of mapo tofu cuisines, you see it's all tofu with some minced beef and all that stuff, but tonight I'll be making a different type of mapo tofu, my own style. So here I cut up some tofu here. It's about 3 blocks of tofu here. Here I also chopped up some onions. This is 2 onions there, and then here is some ingredients from the Chinese New Year. So here is like white cut chicken, so I just cut it into pieces as well. And here is the pig tongue, and here is what do you call it, the pork mince. And I'll just be stir frying all of this all up together, and then the meal should be looking good and delicious. So let's begin. Okay guys, let's begin cooking. So here I heat up my pan first. Then I'm going to add in some olive oil. So give the pan a good amount of oil, rinse it around. Let's cook our onions first. Get all the onion flavors coming out. Okay, we can brush the onions to the side. Now we're gonna pour some oil just to cook up our meat. Okay, here I got my pig tongue, my chicken, and some minced pork. Cook it up for now. Make sure this, because the pig tongue and the chicken's already like cooked already, but let me just make sure this pork mince is also cooked up as well. Just try to cook up the pork mince and then I can break it up. Okay, let me just add some salt and pepper. Just a quick sprinkle. Add some white pepper as well. Just a quick drizzle of sprinkle of white pepper. Alright. Now you can mix up the pork with all our ingredients there. But just now when we pour in some hot water, the pork will be cooked anyway, so it doesn't really matter. Alright. The meat looks like it's well cooked now, so I'm just going to mix the onions together with it. Just going to pour it in here. Alright, looking good. Now guys, while you're cooking this, let me turn up the heat. We don't want to break the tofu because we don't want to mince tofu, so keep it as the squarish kind of tofu while you're cooking it. So just spread the tofu evenly around the pan. Mix it up slowly with the other ingredients. Just brush it from the bottom up. Alright guys, it's time to season our dish. I'm going to first add 1 teaspoon of sugar. I'm going to sprinkle some black pepper here, not too much. I'm going to add 1 1 teaspoon of hoisin sauce. Add some oyster sauce here as well. I'm gonna drizzle around with some soy sauce. Now we can just mix it up. Okay, we can mix it up now. Okay guys, I made some cornstarch water, just cornstarch mixed with some cold water. Now we can pour it over our dish. Okay, now we can turn back the flame up, and then we can mix it up. And then all the sauce will stick onto our tofu and all our meats. I have a handful of scallions here. Now we can mix it up to give it some scallion flavor. Right guys, it's ready to be served.